Meaning of entertain.
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 Entertain. The term entertain refers to the act of providing amusement or enjoyment to others through various means such as performances, activities, or social events. The goal is to keep people engaged and interested in whatever is being presented, whether it is through humor, music, storytelling, or other forms of entertainment. The outcome of successful entertainment is a sense of happiness, relaxation, and satisfaction among the participants, who are left with positive memories and a desire for more. Overall, entertainment is an important aspect of human culture and has a significant impact on our daily lives.